Gotta relax.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Human music. I like it.
Where are we going? I wasn't recording. Where were we going? You want to say it again?
No, I fucked up. I don't know my line.
We're going hiking.
I'm gonna walk until we get tired and say, let's go back. I don't know, I thought we were doing a hike.
Intense hike. We're just going on a hike.
No, I thought this was the warm-up.
No, this is the hike. This is it. I only see the direction of adventure.
Nice. Careful, Rick.
Yeah, I saw it. It's crazy. Just drops. I don't know about this. God. Oh, God. I'm scared.
Don't look scared though. You looking scared, fam.
Careful. Oh my God.
I'm not doing this. Fuck that. Wait, is that how we're going now? No, we're going this way. Oh wait.
Which way? It ends. It's over.
It's over.
All right, that was fun, guys. Time to go home. So that was the wrong trail that we just took.
Keep it up and we're gonna turn it up a notch. Oh my God.
Just trees everywhere. Onwards.
So we just got 6 hours. This is great. All you just stay there. All you just stay there and exist.
I mean, I'm trying to vlog here, but if you want me to pose. No, just like, so we've been walking for a couple hours. It's starting to rain.
A couple hours.
Okay.
Just another fucking millennial.
No, it was Ricky for sure. It came out of his pocket.
What?
Don't litter.
Did I litter?
You're the only type of clip bar.
Oh yeah, it did come out of my pocket. Whoops.
Wow.
I was like, who did
You
this?
should tell your audience about you fucking up the forest. You karate kick?
Probably not.
Try. Off of the stump. See what I did?
But wait, hold up. What did he do?
To the hospital. Like a really.
Oh, okay. I see what he did.
So I'm karate kicking that way.
Yeah. He's gonna do a backflip.
Backflip? I'm not doing a backflip. I'm facing the wrong way.
Do a barrel roll.
1.
Wow, we are all shameful.
No, I'm camera master now.
All right.
Sprinting it. Oh fuck. And this is where I fall off the mountain and people don't see me ever again and say, yeah, you chugged that Budweiser and just went down the mountain. None of them wanted to chug it with me. I don't know what's up with them, you know? What a bunch of party poopers. They're acting like they're 30s. I don't give a fuck. Just running down this mountain. I'm gonna die. Oh fuck. Fuck.
A few moments later.
I threw my hat. Didn't even know I died. Whoa. Oh, there you are? You didn't even cry. Oh my God. Wait, dead or gone? Where's AJ? Oh God. Oh my God! Oh. How's this Gen Z doing on a hiking trail?
First, you guys call me a millennial, then a Gen Z, then a Gen Y. I don't even know what generation I'm in.
The lame one.
Cool.
You never saw when you passed me? I was recording you. You didn't see my hat? I threw my hat on the floor. Wow, I thought you just ignored it, like, oh, you're over my dumb shit.
Mark.
Jorge, show me your wiener.